Well, I'm going to show you a recently purchased set of low-profile heavy-duty ramps that we got from our Napa store. Part number CHT 7919003. They're very maneuverable and they have a lot of safety features built in, like the fully retractable handles. And as you will see with the build, they are very heavy duty with a 1/4-inch steel plate and the 5-inch square tubing blocks. Their fully retractable handle is easy and accessible, giving you a lot of clearance. They have built on them a skid mat, preventing the ramps from skidding or sliding across the floor. We were glad to get rid of the old makeshift wooden ramps that were one crack away from disaster, because safety is a big concern in our shop. So we need to provide the best quality equipment that we can. So that's why we got rid of the old wooden ramps. Moving the ramps around is a breeze with these 4-inch rubber casters, and they provide a lot of ease of movement along with providing the heavy-duty ramps that are necessary for these new trucks, like the Freightliners and the Peterbilts, the KWs and the Volvos that you see on the road today. Being able to easily lift our trucks in a safe manner is a must for our shop. And that wasn't too hard, and it makes it a lot simpler now. Now we've got the clearance that we need to be able to get under these low clearance trucks. And as you can see now, we can get a creeper, we can get down there and get under there safely. And you can see how easy it was. You just line it up with the tires, and then you should have everything lining up when you get it all the way up to the top of the ramp safely. And that's the good thing about it. It is a safe procedure, as opposed to our makeshift, which was not safe. And that way, like I said, if you can look at that, that is heavy duty. That what is that? Is that 1/4-inch bent?
Yep.
That's 1/4-inch metal. So that's, and then plus you see how the ramps are stacked. So everything is very safe and heavy duty. That's the key to us, is heavy duty. We've got to have heavy duty. Of course, as you see, it's the Carlisle brand, 20-ton, and I think there's even the part number on it. That 791-9003 is the part number, and that's a Carlisle brand at Napa. Of course, we own a Napa store, so we were glad to be able to buy from ourselves. All right, thank you very much.